Guys, real quick video, changing the front brake pads on my 2011 Lexus LX 570, and I already have finished it, but these pins need to come out. This one was stuck. So what I did was I cut the head of this bolt off with an angle grinder and doused it with PV Blaster, which is like a lubricant, somewhat similar to WD-40. And after I did that, let it sit overnight, and then I got a 3/16 center hole punch. Hopefully you can see that. And then just went to town whacking away, and eventually it did come out. I was able to slide these out, the old ones, put the new ones in, and button it all up with the clips and everything. So hopefully this helps somebody if they're having the same problem.